this design I call Elegant Eye Design. It's a good one for moms and for teens and anyone that comes up and says, just do anything you want. It's kind of a fun eye design. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start right up here at the corner of her eye and make my first petal, and under the eye, because those are the two places that you can run out of room. So do those first and then divide the space with the third petal, and then you'll know where your other petals go, and leave a little bit of airspace in between so that it's light and airy and more natural looking. Okay, go ahead and put glitter on. And if you were in a long line situation, you'd go ahead and put white dots on right now. So I'll do that and then stop the clock for a sec. So you could end it right there if you had to. So that's only about a minute if you have a really long line. But we're going to make it more elegant. On this design, if they're older, I'll ask if I can line their eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm getting a number 3 brush and some black. And I'm going to go ahead and line their eyes. I usually start like in the middle of the lid so I don't get too much product right by their tear duct and have it like right into their tear duct. Okay, and then I'll do a little flick. And you can fill in their whole eye if you want. And that way it kind of joins in with the petals. This is also a way to fix your wonky one stroke. You had some of your petals that weren't perfect. But try to paint outside of them a little bit so that you don't obscure all your beautiful colors. And then I'll add a few like just really small little dots just to make it look kind of like a tiger lily type flower. Okay, and if you want to go, so let's put a lap on that. And then if you want to, you can add a few more petals out here to add more drama. And those I just kind of join in with the brush. And normally, of course, I would do those with the one stroke while I had it loaded. But I wanted to show you what the basic flower looked like. Okay. And then you can also add some more swirls, teardrops with your black while you've got it loaded. Maybe some black stars even. Okay, so that's 3 minutes and 38 seconds.